Welcome to my new car. This is what this video is called. Look at these white tyres. They're beautiful. Look at this blue paint job. Beautiful. Look at it. Remember, safety first. You always should wear your helmet before you brush your teeth. That's number one rule. Remember that. Alrighty, let's do some tricks. Stop. Welcome to my new car. This is what this video is called. Look at these white tyres. They're beautiful. Look at this blue paint job. Beautiful. Look at it. Remember, safety first. You always should wear your helmet before you brush your teeth. That's number one rule. Remember that. Alrighty, let's do some tricks. Stop, boys. This has never been attempted before. I'm gonna ride on grass. And I'm gonna do a burning. Stop. Hey guys, let's climb on this. Bet you I'll make it. Did you see that? Stop it now. I fucked up the first time. Not gonna do it again. Let's do this. I'm in trouble. Hey guys, I'm gonna do it really.
Honey.
Ready, let's go.
Say cat.
Did you see that? Turn. Attempt 2, mate. Captain Obvious right here. Look at it. It's so Captain Obvious.
Look at that lonely puppy. Almost getting ran over. You walk past the Penrose retard. Oh God!
Stop. You might name me a Sneaky Soft, but from now on, I'm Sneaky Soft Clown. It's bloody hot under here. It's very nice.
I will shoot you! It's loaded.
Okay, calm down. Alrighty, I'm gonna make more videos that's funny. Alrighty? So, goodbye. It's very hot here. Don't shoot. Don't shoot! Stop the video.